Following the cabinet meeting on the 24th of January 2024, the MDA government spokesperson Paul Lyngdoh announced the approval of the Meghalaya Republic Day 2024 draft speech. The meeting also addressed the amendment of the Meghalaya Finance Service Rules 1989, the unveiling of U Tirot Sing Syem's life-size statue and bust in Dhaka, Bangladesh on the 16th of February 2024, and the discussion of age limits for government service recruitment, along with the advertisement of over 3,000 vacancies in Home and Police Department and about 500 vacancies in the Civil Defence and Home Guards Department.
The draft speech was presented before the Cabinet, and after detailed discussions, it was approved. The speech will be made on Republic Day at various district headquarters, civil subdivisions, starting from the state capital, and various dignitaries, including governor and members of the cabinet, will be addressing the public at various locations of the state. So the speech was considered and approved by the cabinet today. The other item that was taken up for consideration was the amendment of the Meghalaya Finance Service Rules 1989 of the principal rules. Here, the rules, a number of these rules relating to various departments have come up by way of office memorandums from time to time, and the various departments have been following these OMs. But today, in order to ensure uniformity and proper codification of these various rules, it was decided that we will incorporate them in the Meghalaya Finance Service Rules with the due approval of the Cabinet, so that all of these rules are for part and parcel of the common finance service rules of the state of Meghalaya. Then we also are happy to announce here that on the 16th of next month, the state government has been talking to the Indian High Commission of Bangladesh, and on the 16th of February next, we will be unveiling a life-size statue of U Tirot Sing and also a bust of the renowned warrior of the state at Dhaka. The program will be the delegation will be led by the Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Lyngdoh, and I will also be accompanying the team, as the program has been at the behest of the Department of Arts and Culture. We will be sharing more details about the program as we approach closer to February 16. Then we also took up the issue of minimum and maximum age limit for recruitment into government service for certain departments. There are effectively 4 such departments where, because of the physical nature of work requiring stamina and vigor, the minimum age limits have been set differently, as well as the upper age limit. So these are the departments of Civil Defence and Home Guards, Excise, Registration, Taxation and Stamps Department, ERTS, Forest and Environment Department, and the Home Police Department. These would, the minimum age in these cases is between the range of 18 to 21 years of age, and the upper age limit, as decided by the Cabinet today, has been fixed, ranging from 27 years in the case of ERTS department to 32 years in the case of Civil Defence and Home Guards department to 30 to 32 years in the case of Forest and Environment department, and 21 years as minimum age limit to 27 years as upper age limit where Home Police Department is concerned. We're also happy to announce here that within the next 2 to 3 weeks, we should be in a position to advertise various posts in these departments. There'll be about 3,000 plus posts in various categories in the Home Police Department and about 500 such posts in the Civil Defense and Home Guards Department.
Addressing concerns about security measures for Republic Day 2024 on the 26th of January amidst the HNLC withdrawal from peace talks, Cabinet Minister Lyngdoh stated that considering the prevailing peace and law and order situation in the state, special arrangements are unnecessary.
As I said, the law and order situation in the state is very peaceful, and we do not see HNLC as enemies or people who we should be wary of, which is why we said that our doors of negotiations with them are still open. And that will, in fact, be emphasized in the Republic address.